Om Swastiastu. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me to present my research proposal. So the title of my research proposal is Improving Recon Writing Product Through Automated Written Corrective Feedback Using Preparator in a grade student at SMP 10 Denpasar. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikomang Pridayanti from class 8 to Denpasar. So, in this presentation, I will explain about the introduction, literature review, and also research method. Let's move to the chapter 1, is about background of the study. So, writing is one of the most important skill English language learners learn, apart from speaking, listening, and reading. And according to Pahmi and Rajmawati, writing includes mastering content, format, spelling, grammar, and also punctuation. There are student problem in writing at SMP 10 Denpasar. So the first challenge student face is lack of ideas and creativity. So it makes them difficult to organize the event chronological. And the second is so many students face obstacle in using correct and consistent grammar. And the third problem is student limited have limited vocabulary, so it makes their writing become monotonous and repetitive. And the last problem student face is spelling. It still occur in student writing. Next. Okay, so here is previous study have also identified the same problem and conduct research to address the difficulties student face in writing. So the first study is from Martado et al. 2023. So to address this issue, the researcher used direct feedback technique. And the second study from Ovita et al. 2023, the research used automated writing evaluation. And the last is the study from Fatimah and Madya 2020. The study used peer feedback technique to improve student in writing. Based on the similarity of students' problem in the research conducted by Ovita et al. 2023, so the researcher decide to use automated written corrective feedback using preparator to overcome students' problem in writing. So my research and Afrita research have several significant difference. One of them is like place grade, and we also use different evaluation method, which Afrita's research use Grammarly, and my research use preparator. Next. Alright, so the research question of my research is what is the best implementation of automated written corrective feedback using preparator in improving recon writing product? And the research objective is to investigate the implementation of automated written corrective feedback used preparator in improving student recon writing product. Okay, let's move to the chapter 2. So in the theoretical review, I explained about the dependent variable. So the dependent variable is writing. So and then continuing with types of writing, process of writing, aspect of writing, and also I explained about recon text, like structure of recon text, and language feature of recon text. And then move to the independent variable. So the first I explained about corrective feedback, types of corrective feedback, and continuing with automated written corrective feedback. And thus I explained about preparator. Next. So the researcher explored the three relate study about automated written corrective feedback. So all the previous research done well. So the first research is from Ovita et al. 2023. The second is Nugroho and Benesia 2022. And the third is El Motori and Samoy 2024. So based on this several previous study, so automated written corrective feedback has been proven effective in improving student writing skill. So this why the researcher decide to use this method to improve student writing recontext. Okay, and next the conceptual framework. So next I will explain the conceptual framework of my research. So this study begins by identifying the initial condition which highlight the problem found in student recon writing. And the next to address this issue, the researchers takes action by implementing written corrective feedback through the use of paper writer. And after the implementation of this action, so it is expected that the final condition will show an improvement in student writing skill, particularly in recon text. Next. Okay, the third chapter 3 is about research method. For research design, this research using classroom action research from Chemist and MC Tegart. So there are four stages in this research. So the first is planning, action, observation, and also reflection. And the research setting. This research was conducted at SMP and Tenden Pasar of the A-grade students. And the research subject of this research is population in this research are 40 students consisting of 22 female students and 18 male students of A-grade student at SMP Tenden Pasar. Alright, so for the data collection, so this research used uh, three data collection technique. So the first is observation. So the purpose of the observation is to ensure that the lesson plan was followed and the learning activities were effectively implemented. And the second is the research use test. So the researcher used pre-test and also post-test. So the pre-test was given to identify the challenge in writing recontext before the method was implemented. And after that, the research used post-test to assess whether the student writing improved or not. And then the last is interview. So the research conduct interview with the English teacher at SMP and Tenden Pasar during the preliminary study to to find if there student difficulties in writing or not. Next. Okay, and next is data analysis. So in this study, I use quantitative data to analyze the result of right of students in writing. So for the test, I use quantitative data. So the first I calculate each student test score with the maximum score is 100. Then I add up all the score and it divide the total of the number of students to find the average score. So this method helped me track the improvement in student writing skill over time. Okay, so that's all my presentation. If there are any mistake, I apologize. So I close with Parama Santi. Santi, Santi, Santi. Weh,